Nice and hot today, and I cool in the shade. I went on my adventures early in the morning, and now I just watch the birds. And now I'm too hot, so I'm gonna stay indoors. Oh, I heard a noise. Yeah, Simba is hiding in the corner. Hey. It flew out. Mommy opened the window. Oh no, I couldn't catch that fly.